This is one of our intermittent rain showers taken from our deck at the Valley High. I just took a walk down to the village and I got one like this, but I have an umbrella. So it's nice. We'll come down just for a few minutes and then we'll get some rainbows. On the weather they call it rainbow on the weather report. Rainbow weather. So down there in the pond are some lily pads, which I always want to try to catch them open. They just open a little bit. Then there's another fountain over there on the other side of the driveway. But this is a very lovely place. And down below we have these ginger plants.